Welcome to the shop. We're out in the shop today, going to do a unboxing of what I got in the mail the other day, what I ordered for the bucket of Willis. I'm gonna show you what I got in here. So this is exactly the way I got it, which this is from the post office. Ordered it, I think I got it in about 4 days. This is a set of bolt-on hooks from Bolt-on Hooks LLC. I'm going to show you what bolt-on hooks are, which you may know or you may not. But basically, it's some hooks that I'm going to put on the bucket. It's going to allow me to hook some chains on and have a 2-point attachment for chain, and I can run it out to a single point. Also underneath it, I got some clevis hooks or eyes, or whatever you want to call them, with some clevis bolts and stuff. And so I'll show you, or clevis, however you want to say it. I'll show you what I got here. So like I said, I got this in quite a few days ago, and I wanted to to do a little video on it. So I've been patiently waiting, and as you can tell, I'm back in coveralls and a sock hat because it is cold again. It was, and I'm actually seeing my breath today. It's in the 30s today. 2 days ago it was in the mid 60s. Today back in the 30s. Wow. Okay. So let's see if we got what I ordered. I'm sure I did. All right. Paper is trash. Excuse my shop. It is a mess. I haven't had time to really do anything with it. So, first thing that's in here is a Noga deburring tool, and I got this because whenever I do drill, I got to drill some holes in my bucket, and when I do drill these holes in this bucket, it's going to leave some burrs on there, and for me to get a good, a good tight fit with the bolts and everything, I got to ream out those bolt holes and deburr it. So that's a deburring tool, and so I actually bought it from the company. They had it there, and so I bought it. Also a DeWalt 1/2 inch drill bit. It's got its own pilot tip on it. It's called a pilot point bit. It's got the little bitty pilot tip on it, which is pretty cool. Stand by. Alright, so sorry, had a phone call from work. So alright, so I got these some bolts here to mount everything with. Pretty hefty bolts there. I'm not a bolt guru anymore. I used to be. I actually had some classes on bolts before, but anyway, so here's some bolts that came with it. Here's my shackle. Here's the shackle that's going to hang out the bottom here, with some pretty hefty shackles here, with some clevis pins. Clevis. I'm probably saying that wrong. And the main thing that I wanted for this whole operation is these two pieces. There we go. Look how pretty that is. So this will go here. This will go underneath, just like that. So I got these two. They're going to go just the opposite of each other, just like this. And this is a 5/16 hook, welded on, some pretty weld beads on both sides. And this shackle, like I said, is going to hang off of this like that. And we're going to be able to, you can better put a strap on this side, a chain on this side. It won't get in the way of bucket operations. Pretty cool deal. So this is going to act as the backer plate for the bolt-on hooks. I got another set for the other side. Same exact thing. And some instructions. These are called Ken's bolt-on grab hooks, and it's got instructions with it. So it says made from high-quality materials, should provide a lifetime of service. They are designed to be used with grade number 70 5/16" chain, which is plenty strong for any SCUT or CUT. I guess I'm supposed to know what that means. Anyway, the entire assembly has been zinc chromate plated for maximum corrosion protection. They can also be primed and painted if you choose. I'm not going to. I think they look pretty cool looking, gold looking like they are. And it gives you the tools you need: a drill, small file, or deburring tool. I got all that. I got DeWalt drills. I got the deburring tool. So I got everything I need. So there it shows your installation for your bucket, your washer placement, and all that stuff. Pretty self-explanatory. So they want you to send story and pictures showing the clever ways you created to use your new bolt-on grab hook, so we can post it on the website. Awesome. I'll be doing that. There's Millie Dog out there. I see Millie Dog. Millie Dog. Hey. Yeah. And so where to mount these hooks should be mounted in line with the loader cylinders whenever possible to help eliminate the possibility of bending, twisting your bucket. Alright, I have 2-cylinder. They're saying just some have 1 cylinder, like the local boat is probably, I think they have 1 cylinder in the middle. Drill the holes before painting. Place the open end of the hook towards the tractor on the top edge of the bucket and clamp in place if possible. I'll do that. With the 1/2" bit installed in the drill bit, start to drill through the holes in the plates. You only want to create a center mark on the bucket surface to guide the 1/4" bit in the next step. Remove the hooks and switch to the 1/4" bit. Drill through the bucket. Deburr it and mount it. That's it. That's pretty simple, y'all. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. I've got, let's see if we can use a smaller clamp here. First of all, let me see. Okay, I'm back. So I got you in a new position here so you can see. And I'll open up the drill bit. And I was looking for some blue tape, some blue painter's tape, so I could put some blue painter's tape down where I wouldn't you know, it kind of helps line up everything. I don't even have a pen out here. My shop is so disorganized because I haven't been here long enough to deal with it, and it's been all winter time. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. All right, so we got it like that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be plenty enough here. I don't have a C clamp. But I got these. Yeah, these ain't gonna work. It is now raining. So what I'm going to do is not even worry about bolting it. Holding it down. And there's one that started, and I'm gonna go ahead and drill this hole. And it's got this pilot. I don't know if you saw the pilot bit, but it's got the pilot tip on it, to where it's gonna cut 1/4" hole first. let me tell you something. This bit cuts really well. That was a good cut. I'll try to get this in my bucket. All these shavings. I want Millie Dog to get that in her paw. Alright, I hope that wasn't too loud for y'all. Maybe I'll fast forward that part if it's too loud. Okay, so we got one hole. Now here comes the deburring tool. This is what this tool is going to be for. I have no clue how to put these bits or blades, whatever you're gonna call them, in this tool. So this is a first for me. I've never even used one of these tools before. So I think it's pretty cool to own one though. So looks like you just looks like it's a quick connect tool. Yeah, look at there. That's it. So as you can see, let me see. It doesn't have too many burrs on it, but this side here's got a little edge I can feel. So, oh yeah, I took that edge right off of there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And this thing is like cutting this thing. No question about it. Man, it's actually, I think I was going the wrong way. It's actually making a little beveled edge on it. Look at there. Well, that is smooth as it can be. I like that. Okay. So there's one. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut a bolt. And just kind of hold the position. I'm going to hold that position. Of that hole, the hook right there. I'm not going to put the nut on it because it's a nylon nut. So I don't know if any of you work like I work, but sometimes when you, like I said, I can't find stuff that I need. And the good thing about this bit, it goes down in that hole, so I know I'm going to be lined up. No question about it. All right, hole number 2 coming up. There we go. No problem. I'm telling y'all, that's a sharp bit. That's a lot of metal to drill through. It's pretty sick. Man, it is raining, and I saw something on Facebook the other day. It was pretty cool. I laughed my butt off. I mean, not really, but somebody said, it's been raining here a lot. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to go this way. It's been raining here a lot. Somebody said, thank goodness it's raining. My mud was getting dehydrated. Thought that was pretty cool. I might be the only one laughing, I don't know. Oh, look, I think you can go both ways with this thing. It looks like it's got cutting edge on both sides. So I like this little deburring tool. I mean, this actually cutting. All right. So I've been watching another channel that I like to watch. These shavings are falling right off in this paper bag. It's pretty cool. I didn't even plan on that to happen. Okay, guys, check this out. There's my holes, perfectly lined up, all good to go. There's one bolt. Washer. There's 2 bolts. Bring you down here. gosh, this is awesome. I love it already. This is gonna be so cool. And I have been wanting these for quite a while. And you know, this kind of stuff, it's not cheap. That's for sure. So, you know, it's one of them deals where, okay, how bad you need it, but then again, you're thinking, well, I need it bad enough to where I'm constantly looking at them on the internet. You know, so there's the that shackle, clevis mount, shackle, whatever you want to call it, the hook. And now I'm going to I'll tighten it up. All right, so I got 3/4 inch drive socket. Now I'm not going to finish it with this drive socket because I want to be able to feel the I mean, I don't think I'm gonna hurt anything, that's for dang sure. So here we go. And then let's just make sure that she's tight. 3/4. There we go. Oh yeah, I can't even get a turn out of it. Okay. Well. That's it. Them babies are on there. And last thing, take this off. Y'all, I don't know how much cooler it can get than that. So I can use this as a strap. I got to get me some choker straps. I don't own any. I'm gonna get some. And then I got the chain that I can put on this side. So that's Ken's bolt-on hooks. Really cool. I found these online. Actually, I watch I'm a subscriber of another YouTube channel that actually he actually uses these. He's a friend with the owner of the company, and I just thought they were the coolest thing. And like I said, this stuff isn't cheap to buy, so you know I have a really good need for them. I've got all this fence right there that you see, kind of right here, the post, this post, all that. This fence line right here has got to go. So my daughter was on Willis pulling out poles with me out of the ground, out of the post, out of the ground. They're just metal poles, and it was kind of a hassle doing that with the rear lift. It really wasn't lifting up high enough, and we had to do a couple of grabs with it. So that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and install these. It's gonna go on just like the other one. and I install that, and maybe I'll pull it out and get a shot of it in the light. It's raining outside, that's why I'm not outside right now. I know the wind's blowing a little bit. It's kind of cool. So anyway, all right. Well, I'll install these and see you in a minute. So my audio cable pulled out sometime between the shop and this point. Anyway, I was just showing you the after install. There's the underside with the shackles hooked on. I got those good and tightened up. So that's basically it. I was just letting you see the final installation of both hooks, and you can kind of see what everything looks like. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye. Yeah, here comes the old Millie dog. There she is. Good girl, Millie dog. Good girl.
I spelled hot.
Okay. Hey there, welcome to the shop. And I just wanted to show y'all what I got in the mail.